Good evening, grade 7. I have taken over your flipped classroom lesson until I get some cat food. I will sit here until your teacher gives in to my demands. Meow.
Okay, cat got its way, as it usually does. And now it's time for methods of thermal energy transfer. Ever notice how you can feel the warmth coming from a light bulb? Your skin warms up because it's receiving thermal energy from the bulb. The bulb is an energy source. An energy source is something which can transfer its energy to other objects. Pictures below are examples of energy sources. Micromatch, rubbing your hands together, car engine, moving parts. All of these are examples of energy sources. You've seen water waves plenty of times. These waves are a visible sign of energy being transferred from one place to another. But energy can also be transferred in ways which cannot be seen by the human eye. Radiation is the transfer of energy in a special form of wave that can travel through many materials in space. Pictures below are examples of radiation. The sun warms our planet, Earth. A candle warms a face. And a campfire warms marshmallow. Remember how in solids the particles are close together? Well, thermal energy is transferred directly from one particle to the next. The process of transferring thermal energy through direct collision between the particles is called thermal conduction. When heat is placed close to a solid, the particles at the surface absorb the energy and start moving. These particles then bump into nearby particles to transfer thermal energy. Eventually, all of the particles bump into each other to receive thermal energy. Why does the spoon get hot in a pot of stone? The pot is warm from the energy of the stone's flame. The energized particles of the pot bounce against the spoon and rest at the bottom and transfer energy. Why does the person sitting on a rock ledge get cold? A solid rock ledge has molecules that are not very energized compared to a heat body. Heat will always flow from a warm object to a cold object. Heat is lost from the body into the rock when they are in contact. Most metals make very good heat conductors. For example, copper stovetops are great for cooking because they heat fast. But other solids like glass are less efficient at conducting heat. These materials are known as heat insulators. We use insulators to trap the heat in an object so that the object stays hot. Thermal energy can also be transferred by fluids. Convection, a warm fluid is placed inside an object, and the fluid carries thermal energy throughout the object. A moving fluid which heats up the object is called convection current. Convection currents appear throughout Earth's oceans and the atmosphere, distributing solar energy. On a smaller scale, convection currents are used in household appliances, such as heating systems, air conditioners, and ovens. Stage 1. Liquid is heated by heat source. Molecules start to move faster and bump into each other vigorously. Stage 2. As the molecules move faster, they bump and push each other apart. More space between them. This increase in space creates less density. The less dense heated liquid becomes, the less dense heated liquid becomes more buoyant and rises. The surface is exposed to cooler air. Some very vigorously moving particles escape as water vapor or steam. It escapes the surface, the molecules slow down. Lost and the molecules slow down and stop pushing each other. Particles are rapid. They move closer together so that there is less space between them. Less space and more compact particles in a more dense liquid, which is heavier and sinks to the bottom of the Alright. What are the three types of heat transfer? Blank, heat transferred by the direct contact of molecules. Oh! Reduction, convection, or radiation. All right, let's see. Heat transferred by the direct contact of the molecule. Heat transferred through a liquid or gas by means of condensation. Heat transferred through empty space by visible infrared rays. What do you think, grade 7? Let's check it out. You know which one is conduction? Which one is convection? Which one is radiation? Let's find out. Conduction, convection, radiation. I know. In the class. See you then.